What's the meaning of chili con carne? Chili con carne. Chili con carne.
Chili con carne. Chili con carne. Chili con carne is a spicy dish that originates from Mexico. It typically consists of ground beef, kidney beans, and a variety of spices such as chili, cumin, and paprika. The dish is usually served with rice or tortillas and can be topped with cheese, sour cream, or guacamole. The spicy flavor comes from the use of chili peppers and provides a distinctive heat that can vary from mild to very hot. Overall, chili con carne is a hearty and flavorful dish that is enjoyed by many around the world.